Okay, folks, you see our current investment mix is 50% Putnam Stable Value, 50% 2060 target date. So that's what we're set at for today. Yesterday we did have a small loss of 0.1%, which is no big deal. Tomorrow we are switching to 100% Harbor Capital. Now it is a very, very risky move. You have a equal chance of gaining or losing up to 2%, but we are going to take that chance based off of what we've been seeing and based off of what our charts are showing us. So we're thinking the markets are going to gain today. The markets are going to be even higher tomorrow. So that's why we're making that change. Again, we're moving to 100% Harbor Capital, which is a very, very risky move. Equal chance of gaining or losing up to 2% tomorrow. Good luck all and enjoy.